Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you step by step how to check in online in two-way air. So if you want to check in online in two-way air, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for two-way airlines, click the first website here. This is for book flight, and then on this section all you have to do, follow me in these steps. Click the first website, you will see this page. Go to my trip, go to online check-in. When you go to online check-in, you will see this page. Online check-in, write your booking number, 6-number booking number. Write your depart of date, choose your depart of date here. 10 Wednesday, last name, your information passenger, last name and first middle name, and click add passenger, and then click confirm. Basically, this is how you can do to check in online. Easy steps: write your booking number, depart date, and passenger information, and click confirm. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more.